our main course, Pat Kaprao, as always, our favorites.
We live only once, and I believe in living my life to the fullest on my own terms. Welcome to my vlog. Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. We are out and about to have some nice breakfast. Good morning everyone. आज है हमारी second last morning together in Seattle. This is our hotel. So now we are stepping out to have breakfast. Baby told me there's a very nice bagel place at near his accommodation. तो वहीं जा रहे हैं breakfast करने. सुबह 8:30 हुए and then hubby will leave for work. So that's it. Join us for breakfast this morning. Oh guys, बहुत ठंड है. दिन में इतनी गर्मी और अभी सुबह इतनी ठंड and I'm not wearing any jacket. So hubby will get me jacket from his house.
Do a little early transfer because I really wanted to go there, understand the vendors, also start implementing some new dishes and everything.
Here we are.
A lot of people.
I'll be having bagels first time for breakfast. I like the setup here in the patio. It's windy guys. I'm just wearing now hubby's warm t-shirt. Our bagels are delicious, especially my vegan bagel. And this is our coffee with apple cinnamon muffin. And this is my baby. आपको मैंने कन्विंस कर ही लिया कॉफ़ी के लिए. Lovely brother. Guys, आपने देखा मैंने बेबी की शर्ट पहन ली है. And बस हम कॉफ़ी पी रहे हैं. Cheers baby. And then hubby will leave for work and I'll sit here, have my coffee आराम से. And then I'll see you after some time. So everyone, my husband left for work and now I'm having coffee at this place. Actually the bagels were very nice and very tasty, very filling as well. So बस मैं अपनी कॉफ़ी फिनिश कर लेती हूँ और अच्छा वेदर है काफ़ी. ठंड थी ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था मैंने but good enough. So anyway, I'll have my coffee now and then I'll be going to this H Mart to do some grocery shopping for my flight back to Doha. I'll get some nice Greek yogurt. All these yogurt products and fruits and berries are always fresh outstation and like out of Qatar, you know. So मैं जब भी US travel करती हूँ, Australia or anywhere in Europe, I always do my grocery shopping. So I'll be doing that. And then I will keep you posted as and when the day passes. And stay tuned and I hope you are enjoying this series and I hope you enjoy this episode as well. So everyone, I just finished my breakfast. Look at this. This is the bagel place. I'll show you something very interesting. And now I'm heading to the H Mart shopping complex, which is this one next to PetSmart. And this building right here is my husband's accommodation. So everything is walking distance. That's why we booked this hotel Red Lion because it's so walkable and very budget friendly as well. So that's it. And मैंने अभी की lounge wear की t-shirt चोरी कर ली because windy है. I think 12 बजे के बाद it will get hotter. Hey guys, so my grocery shopping is done. Look at this, full. So that H Mart is mostly Asian food and some of the Korean food stuff I got. I always wanted to have those. I picked up some ramen as well and fruits and other spices. I got it. And now I'm heading back to my hotel. We'll freshen up, change and head to husband's restaurant. Not exactly husband's restaurant. I won't disturb him at work. But there is Macy's. I want to see some stuff. So let's see. I'll go there and चलो आपसे जब रेडी जाती हूँ तब मिलती हूँ, है ना? That's my hotel. Guys, this is all my grocery shopping. This is Veggie ramen with soybean paste, Yakult, spicy Korean pickle, mochi, cherries. Look at this. And that's it. So as you can see, I'm back to my room and मैं अभी ये सब arrange कर लूँगी और उसके बाद around afternoon, around 1 p.m. I'll leave for lunch to meet hubby. He told me not to come as yet. अभी सिर्फ 10:30 बजे हैं. So I'll chill basically. Once I'm ready, I'll meet you guys. Okay?
A few moments later.
Guys, here I am all ready to leave for lunch and meet hubby actually. And this is what I am wearing. This is one of my favorite outfits. It's perfect for wintry, summery weather. It'll be his break time at 2 p.m. It's exactly 1:30 p.m. So he's booking the circuit for me and I'm leaving. See you down. I just love colors and weird patterns. This is the final look along with my Gucci sunglasses. I just love them. So guys, obviously my circuit dropped me on this side, so I'm just going to cross the road, and hubby's break time will start in exactly 10 minutes, so we'll step out for some nice lunch. And I hope आपको ये मेरी mini vacation series in Seattle with hubby अच्छी लग रही हो. Along with some Thai chicken sausages. Maybe your favorite, somtam. Enjoy. Very delicious. Obviously, Thai food is one of our favorite cuisines after Indian. So we are totally relishing it.
And this is our main course, Patka Prao, as always, our favorites. Baby, let's dig in.
So I have asked for more spicy. Hubby's is like three level spice. Mine is 4. And I think I could have more, but I just wanted to be like normal spicy. Yeah, more then later I want to regret. And finally our dessert is here. Obviously mango sticky rice. Baby, how do you feel about it? Hannah? Yeah. So our main courses starter were amazing. Now we are going to indulge in our favorite Thai dessert and then see you after some time. Very nice. Now we are at the shopping market. So guys, as you noticed, I was in Gucci store for a reason. Baby, यहाँ चलो ना. So guys, I was at the Gucci store for a reason. Hubby is buying me a very nice vintage style Gucci handbag. Thank you, hubby. So it will be delivered next month. They didn't have that in the store today. Otherwise, we would have got it today. So anyway, not next month, sorry, next week. Even though I won't be here, hubby would buy it for me, and yeah, I'm very happy. Thank you, love. Guys, this area is very famous for all these products, brands. As you can see, Prada, LV, you name it, they have it. Hermes.
Full black on photo skin.
Correct. I'm so very happy. I'm getting my Gucci.
चिढ़ाने के लिए खड़ा था.
Coffee, cake, hubby. It's coffee time for us. Hubby is not liking to have the cake. Still, पता नहीं क्यों खा रहा है. But guys, देखो मेरा manicure कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. I like it. And how am I looking? Comment section बताना. I love this outfit of mine. All pinky pinky. है ना baby? Earrings मेरे favorite है. Cheers. Bye love.
Bye.
Now baby is leaving for his work. So guys, hubby just left and as you all saw, it's 5 p.m. sharp and अभी वो वापस अपना काम करेंगे and I'll be here at Starbucks for some time and I'll be editing my episodes and that's it. फिर मुझे Macy's जाना है. Macy's में कुछ काम है. After that I'll meet hubby. We'll head back to the hotel and have a night in as usual, dinner together, watch some movie and then sleep off. That's it. That's the plan for today. आज का दिन भी काफ़ी relaxing ही जा रहा है and simple. What else can you do on a 4 days trip to US, you know? So especially when your other half is working. So I'm trying my best to capture whatever I can and share it with you all. So I hope you enjoy this series. Hey everyone, I am just back from Macy's and I did shop for something. Oh my god, I am so crazy. I know I have a lot of bags, but मैंने Guess का एक sling bag लिया है. It was worth only $70 because discount चल रही है, so I could not stop myself. And this kind of black bag I don't have it. So obviously मुझे लेना था, मैंने ले लिया और कुछ shopping नहीं की है. And now I'll be just walking around and then I'll ask my husband to book me the circuit and go back to the hotel and wait for him for dinner. So that's it, let's walk. And my husband also told me there is this place called Bollywood Cafe if you want to pack something for dinner. So I think I'll do that. So chalo dekhte hain agar wahan kuch interesting cheez mile, so we'll take it. Weather is quite pleasant and a bit chilly, but since I'm wearing full, so I don't mind. And guys, by the way, this is one of my favorite outfits ever, and today already I have got few compliments from passers-by and it feels great, isn't it? So yeah, I like my choices. Anyway, I'm sounding narcissist right now, so let's cut it. So जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, मैं जा रही हूँ बॉलीवुड कैफ़े डिनर पिक करने के लिए. बस इसके बाद आई थिंक रात को इफ़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू शूट, जस्ट एक्सक्यूज मी गाइस, बिकॉज अभी भी काफ़ी अराउंड 10 o'clock ही कम्स होम एंड देन यू नो वी जस्ट टायर्ड, जस्ट ईट, talk to each other, spend time and sleep. So this is Cafe Bollywood, very famous in Bellevue. चाय और ये ठंडा सा वेदर. आई नो मैंने कॉफ़ी पी है, बट अपनी इंडियन चाय तो थोड़ी सी बनती है ना. So everyone, I'm back to my hotel and I got the food packed as well. I took fish and a fish curry. So now it's approximately 7:45 p.m. Still broad daylight, and I'll freshen up, I'll change, I'll wait for hubby, read my book. Was editing my episodes as well. So that's about it, and we'll call it off a night, and I think I shall see you tomorrow, because like I said, once hubby is here I don't feel like shooting, because you know it's all about spending time with him. So that's all. Take care. Bye.